Welcome back, American coin hunter. The 1994 Lincoln 1-cent coin is one of those fascinating American coins that collectors continue hunting through pocket change, old jars, bank rolls, estate collections, and inherited coin boxes, because hidden among billions of normal pennies are rare era varieties and high-grade examples that can command astonishing prices in the coin market. Many people overlook the humble penny because it seems ordinary, but experienced numismatists understand that some of the greatest treasures in American coin collecting have come from small copper coins that once bought almost nothing. The 1994 penny is especially interesting because it belongs to the modern Lincoln cent series, yet it still carries the long tradition of American coinage history, presidential symbolism, minting technology, and rare mint errors that can transform a coin worth 1 cent into something collectors are willing to pay thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars for, depending on rarity, condition, and uniqueness. Stories about coins reaching enormous speculative values like $283 million create excitement online and drive millions of viewers toward coin collecting videos. And while realistic market prices depend on professional grading and actual auction demand, the mystery surrounding rare pennies continues growing every year as new collectors enter the hobby searching for the next hidden jackpot. The United States 1-cent coin of 1994 features the iconic portrait of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, continuing the design first introduced in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The designer of the Lincoln cent obverse was Victor David Brenner, whose initials VDB became famous among collectors because of the controversy surrounding the early 1909 cents. By 1994, the Lincoln cent had already become one of the most recognizable coins in the world. Nearly every American had handled one countless times, yet few stopped to notice the fine details stamped into the metal. The word Liberty appears to the left of Lincoln's portrait, while the date 1994 appears to the right. Above Lincoln is the motto "In God We Trust." On coins struck at the Denver Mint, a small D mint mark appears beneath the date, while Philadelphia Mint coins in 1994 generally carried no mint mark at all. The reverse design features the Lincoln Memorial, introduced in 1959 and created by Frank Gasparro. Tiny details inside the memorial even depict the seated statue of Lincoln between the columns, making the design incredibly intricate for such a small coin. The composition of the 1994 Lincoln cent is primarily zinc with a thin copper plating. Since 1982, most Lincoln cents were no longer struck from solid bronze because rising copper prices made older compositions too expensive for mass production. The 1994 penny weighs approximately 2.5 grams and has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters. The edge is plain without reading. Although billions of these coins were minted, collectors understand that rarity often has less to do with overall mintage, and more to do with survival in pristine condition, or the existence of unusual minting mistakes. A normal circulated 1994 penny may only be worth 1 cent, but a coin with a dramatic error, or exceptionally high grade, can become highly valuable. Many collectors search specifically for mint errors on the 1994 cent, because the U.S. Mint was producing coins at extremely high speeds during the 1990s. Large-scale production increases the possibility of mistakes occurring during the minting process. One of the most desirable types of error is the double die error. A double die occurs during die creation when the design is impressed onto the die more than once at slightly different angles. This creates visible doubling on letters, numbers, or design features. Some 1994 double die pennies show doubling in Liberty, In God We Trust, or the date itself. Strong examples attract significant collector attention because they are visually dramatic and relatively scarce. Another highly collectible error involves off-center strikes. During minting, if the blank planchette is not properly aligned within the coin press, the design may be struck partially off-center. Depending on how dramatic the error is and whether the date remains visible, values can increase dramatically. A 1994 penny struck 50% off-center with a clearly visible date might sell for hundreds, or even thousands of dollars to specialized era collectors. Coins with extreme off-center strikes are especially appealing because they clearly demonstrate the minting malfunction that created them. Broad strike errors are another category sought after by collectors. These occur when the retaining collar fails during striking, allowing the coin metal to spread outward beyond normal dimensions. A 1994 broad-struck penny may appear larger and flatter than normal while still retaining most of the design. Because modern minting equipment is designed to minimize such mistakes, surviving examples are relatively uncommon. Collectors also look for clipped planchette errors on 1994 cents. These occur before striking when the blank coin is improperly cut from the metal strip, leaving a curved or straight missing section on the coin. Genuine clipped planchets exhibit specific characteristics including the Blakesley effect, which helps authenticate the error. Dramatic clips increase desirability and market value. Die cracks and cud errors are common areas of interest among Lincoln cent enthusiasts. Over time, minting dies develop stress fractures from repeated use under immense pressure. These cracks transfer raised lines onto coins. In severe cases, portions of the die break away entirely, producing large raised blobs known as cuds. A 1994 penny, with a major cud error, can attract substantial premiums depending on size and visual impact. Another famous category includes wrong planchette errors. Occasionally a coin intended for another denomination becomes accidentally struck with a cent design. For example, a 1994 penny struck on a dime planchette or foreign coin blank could become extraordinarily rare and valuable. Such errors are authenticated by professional grading services through weight, diameter, and metallurgical testing. Wrong planchette errors represent some of the most dramatic and expensive modern mint mistakes because they are genuine accidents that escape strict quality controls. The history of the Lincoln cent itself stretches back more than a century and forms an important part of American cultural identity. Before 1909, most American coins featured symbolic representations rather than real historical figures. The introduction of Abraham Lincoln on the cent marked a revolutionary shift in U.S. coinage tradition. Lincoln was chosen because of his enormous national significance, as the president who preserved the Union during the Civil War and issued the Emancipation Proclamation. The Lincoln cent became the first regularly circulating U.S. coin to depict an actual person. Over decades, the design evolved while remaining deeply familiar to Americans. By 1994, the United States economy was undergoing major technological and social changes. The Internet era was beginning to expand, and everyday commerce still relied heavily on cash transactions. Pennies circulated widely through grocery stores, vending machines, arcades, and banks. Few people imagined that decades later collectors would carefully inspect these same coins under magnification, searching for tiny abnormalities worth substantial money. This transformation from ordinary circulation coin to collectible treasure is one reason coin collecting remains so captivating. Condition plays an enormous role in determining the value of a 1994 penny. Professional grading companies such as the Professional Coin Grading Service and Numismatic Guarantee Company evaluate coins using detailed numerical scales. A heavily worn circulated penny may be worth only face value, while a pristine mint state example with flawless surfaces and strong luster could command much higher prices. Modern Lincoln cents graded MS-67 or above are particularly desirable because achieving such quality is difficult due to contact marks during mass production and handling. Red coloration is another important factor for copper-plated Lincoln cents. Coins are categorized as brown, red-brown, or red depending on how much original mint color remains. Fully red examples generally command the highest prices because they preserve the bright appearance of freshly minted coins. A 1994 penny graded MS-68 red could become extremely valuable because of its exceptional preservation and scarcity in top condition. Collectors often examine coins using magnifying glasses, digital microscopes, and specialized lighting. Tiny details invisible to the naked eye may reveal doubling, repunched mint marks, die chips, or other abnormalities. Many valuable discoveries have been made by ordinary people checking pocket change at home. Stories of collectors finding rare coins in bank rolls or inherited jars fuel public fascination with pennies and create excitement across YouTube, TikTok, online forums, and coin auctions. The coin market itself operates through a combination of rarity, demand, historical importance, eye appeal, and publicity. Auction houses such as Heritage Auctions and Stack's Bowers Galleries regularly feature rare Lincoln cents that sell for impressive amounts. Media headlines about million-dollar coins inspire new generations of treasure hunters. Although a standard 1994 penny will not realistically reach hundreds of millions of dollars, sensational market narratives often help attract viewers and encourage interest in numismatics. Some genuinely rare U.S. coins have sold for millions, including famous rarities like the 1943 bronze cent and 1955 double die cent. The 1994 D penny from the Denver Mint is particularly interesting because Denver-struck coins sometimes display distinct die varieties or striking characteristics. Collectors compare Philadelphia and Denver coins side by side looking for differences in strike sharpness, luster, and known era varieties. Certain die states can produce unusual visual effects that specialists catalog carefully. Online coin communities spend countless hours discussing microscopic details visible only under high magnification. One reason Lincoln cent collecting remains so popular is affordability. Nearly anyone can begin searching through pocket change without major financial investment. This accessibility creates a constant flow of new collectors entering the hobby. Some start casually while watching online videos about rare pennies worth huge money. Others eventually build extensive collections spanning every date and mint mark combination. The thrill of possibly discovering a rare era keeps enthusiasm alive. There are also transitional and experimental aspects of U.S. coinage history that fascinate collectors. The switch from bronze to copper-plated zinc in 1982 created multiple varieties and opened the door to confusion over weights and compositions. By 1994 the zinc cent was standard, but plating errors occasionally occurred. Some coins exhibit bubbling, peeling, or incomplete plating. Dramatic examples can command premiums because they visually demonstrate production problems at the mint.